Hey guys, welcome back once again, and today we are going to talk about matplotlib. So it is one of the libraries available in Python which is used to draw 2D plot of array. It has a mathematical extension which is Numpy, and to install this library, if you are using Jupyter, then you need to type pip install matplotlib in command prompt. However, if you are using Anaconda, then there is no need to install this library. This is already available. Now there are two ways to import this library in your program. So first you can use this from matplotlib import pyplot as plt, or you can write this as import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. You can use any one of them to import this library. If you want to learn more about this library, then you can visit matplotlib.org, where you can see what are the things that you can draw by using this library. I will show you some of the examples there, what you can do by using this library. So let's see. So we are on matplotlib.org, where you can see the examples I was talking about. So with the help of this library, you can draw lines, bars, markers, and if you go down, then you can see some more images, visualizations. So these are the things that you can do by using this library. So now let's see how we can use this library to draw a line or bar and so on. So let's go. So this is my Jupyter notebook that I usually use. So here I'll write my codes, and to import this library I'll use import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and here you have to use matplotlib inline. So if you are using Jupyter, then you have to write this uh, matplotlib inline. However, if you are using any other IDE, let's say PyCharm or any other IDE you are using, then there is no need to write this. But if you are using Jupyter, then you have to write this percentile matplotlib inline. So if I'll execute this, it will show me the next cell where I'll write my next code. And here let's say I have two lists, X and Y. So if you execute this, then it will show you the next cell. Now here I will show you how it will look like if I'll draw a chart. So if I'll execute this, so here I have used PLT. PLT is, here you can see I have used it as matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and from this I have used this function plot, and where I have passed these two lists X and Y, and once I executed this, this is the graph that you can see here. So it is showing me a straight line, so you can play with it. You can change the value. Let's say you can use 55, 67, 23, and if you execute from here, then here you can see. So in this way you can plot a line by using this library, and you can also change the color, or you can change the width of this line. You can simply pass color equals to, let's say, red, and if you execute this, then here you can see your line is now in red color. Or if you want to change the width of this line, then you can use line width equals to 6, and if you execute this, then here you can see a thicker line. So in this way you can change the width of your line, or you can also change the style of this line. So you have to use line style equals to dotted. So if you execute this, then here you can see the style of your line has been changed. Or you can also use, instead of dotted, you can use dashed, and if you'll execute this, then here you can see a new style of your line. So in this way you can change the color or width, or you can change the line style. And if you want to give the name of x-axis or y-axis, and you can also give the title of your graph, so for that you just simply need to write plt dot x label, X label is will be this. So here I have passed day, and for Y label I have passed temperature, and the title name would be weather. So this will be my weather chart. So if I'll execute this, then here you can see X is now showing day, Y you can see temperature, and this is the title of my graph. So this is how you can simply draw a line. So this is all about the basics of this library, like how we can plot a line or a chart. So in the next video we'll talk more about this library. We'll see the advanced level of it. So thank you so much for giving your time. See you in the next video.